Hi everybody, Barbara Drazga here of the Bundle Masterclass, and I am here to talk about all things bundling for Amazon sellers and beyond. And today, I'm going to share with you the 3 biggest mistakes I see Amazon sellers make when they first start thinking about creating bundles for their inventory. So the very first mistake that I see people make is they start their research based on a product, and they don't truly ask the right questions and understand the customer behind who would buy that product and why they would buy it and what's important about that product to them that would make them want to buy it. And when you answer those questions, you can build a bundle based on a customer-centric research approach as opposed to a product research approach. So the very first mistake is starting your research based on product as opposed to customer. So the second mistake that I see people make is they do Me Too bundles, and I call them lazy Amazon sellers because they just see a bundle selling well and say, well, I'm going to go see if I can duplicate it exactly, instead of trying to differentiate themselves by making that bundle even better to that customer and asking what's missing from that bundle that the customer would want that I could include in it to create an even better experience for that end user. So number 2 is they create Me Too bundles. And then the third mistake I see people make is there's no custom piece in their bundle, or if they do put a custom piece in there, they'll throw in something, just something, that is, again, not customer related. So it's not a customer centric piece. It's just throwing something in the hopes that nobody would hop on their listing. But I teach bundling to create bundles that make a customer or potential customer say, wow, take my money. Right? So adding a custom piece into your bundle is really a simple thing to do. You can hire someone for very inexpensively to create something that adds value to your bundle, but it's custom made. So it makes it a lot harder for competition to come on. So the top 3 mistakes, there are other mistakes as well, but those are the top 3 that I found is doing product research, based research instead of customer-centric research, creating Me Too bundles, not differentiating yourself or making that little extra effort to create an extraordinary experience for the customer, and then no custom piece in your bundle, which means that your competition can pile on that bundle if you don't do it the right way. So anyway, my name is Barbara Drazga. I invite you to come join the Bundle Masterclass. You can read more in the text below, and you go to bundlemasterclass.com. Happy to have you in the course. Looking forward to seeing you in there. If you have any questions about bundles at all, you can go on Facebook and join my Deal Diva group, and also anything selling on Amazon or e-commerce sellers, you can join that group. It's facebook.com/groups/Deal Diva. Ask anything in there. I'm happy to answer. Talk to you guys later. Bye.